Today we're at Clark Creek Nature Preserve. We're walking the outside loop trail. This is our second day here, really. We came out earlier this week and took some photos and walked around and scoped the place out. And today we're just doing a walk around the preserve, recording some of the sounds and seeing what we can see. What I'm hearing mostly today is engines. I hear some crickets. I hear some cicadas. The trail I come in last time is almost wide enough for two people to walk side by side. But somebody's gonna be brushing the brush most of the time.
I drove by.
And the butterfly. Monarch.
There was one there last time and it flew away when I tried to take a picture of it. Yeah, for this video I need to.
Pull it again.
I was gonna do the video too. Oh, the ironweed is more open now. Everything's starting to sing its evening song.
And this is where this loops back around and heads back the way we came. We missed the elderberry bush this time.
The rain may have made things less noticeable.
This is just heads down to the creek right here.
That's where that wild potato vine was, though.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get a long picture of it.
Okay.
For you.
So this is the pond out in the field. Dragonflies and whatnot. So now you can see how much of a field this really is. I'm really glad they made this a nature preserve because typically this would just be houses.
Well, and to get that amount of like visual clearance to be able to see that much here, and even in the suburbs, is unusual. You don't normally get to like look and turn 180 degrees, 260 degrees without seeing something.
So if you want to look. Yep.
And, gives you a big open sky and makes you feel small, which is good. It is first week of September,
Yep.
and the Queen Anne's laces are gone. The coneflowers, echinacea,
Pokeberries are doing great.
are gone. Yes, pokeberries are out.
Maypops are out.
Goldenrod is out.
Yep.
The jopai weed and ironweed are in full bloom.
Maypops.
So yeah, I would say when the Queen Anne's lace stops, we're at the end of summer and we're headed into fall. Maypops are those little
Those are the, I'll put a picture of them, the purple flowers with the stems that stick up
with the
ahead.
little balloons on them.
And it had the passion fruit on it, which really weighed absolutely nothing.
Oh, the passion flowers, that's called a maypop?
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about these thorny things.
No.
There's so many dragonflies.
One thing I would say you have to watch out for on this trail is fire ants. There's several ants' nests on it. I've kind of brushed up against one or two briars, but you can avoid them. Other than that, it's a pretty easy trail. Nothing to it.